Alrighty then, so here we have the manipulative practice number 10. And so the problem was we had to solve 23 times 25 and 25 as the multiplier using base 10 blocks and the area model. And so this here is the original equation that I created, 25 values represented in base 10 blocks times 23. And so this is the area model that I created. And so 20 values, 5 values, and 3 values. And so what I had to do for this is that I had to multiply each value by each value. So for example, I had to multiply 20 by 20, which results in 400. And then I had to do the same 20 times 3, which results in 60. And so I also did this for 5 multiplied 20, which is 100, and 5 times 3, which is 15. And after I received all of these products, afterwards I added all the values together, 400 plus 60 plus 100 plus 15. And that resulted in me getting the sum of 575. And so, in conclusion, 23 times 25 equals 575.